In this video, you will learn how ChatGPT can help you revise and prepare for exams. It helps you study smarter, not harder. First, I need to go to chat.openai.com to sign up for a ChatGPT account. Once I'm logged in, there is a text box at the bottom of the screen where I can type my commands. For example, I am using this science textbook at school, and I need to prepare for an exam on Chapter 4. Of course, it can be any year group, and doesn't have to be science. Because I don't understand some concepts in the chapter, I will ask ChatGPT to explain those specific concepts to me. I will give ChatGPT the name of my textbook and the ISBN book number, so ChatGPT knows which book I refer to. Based on the textbook Oxford Science 9, Australian curriculum, act as a professional high school teacher, explain to a Year 9 student how sound can travel at different speeds. This way, ChatGPT will only focus on the concepts that are relevant to my exam. The explanation condenses everything in Chapter 4.2. Sound can travel at different speed. This has saved me a lot of time. But I want ChatGPT to explain it in a way that is easier to understand. I will tell ChatGPT, this explanation is too difficult. Can you explain in a more simplistic way? ChatGPT remembers the conversation from above. It is now explaining the concept using simpler examples. You can continue to ask ChatGPT to explain different concepts to you until you are clear about all the concepts. Now that I have understood everything in the chapter, I want to have some study notes. Can you give me some study notes for this book? I only need Chapter 4 Sound and Light. The study notes need to be able to help me to prepare for an exam. The notes are not bad, but I want the notes to be more targeted towards my exam. Can you categorize the study notes with these headings? These headings are the subchapters from Chapter 4 of textbook. You can see the key points are arranged according to my book. If I'm a visual learner, I can even ask ChatGPT to create an informative table for Chapter 4.3, Our Ears Hear Sound. You can ask ChatGPT different questions to suit your learning style. As you can see, ChatGPT is an incredible tool that can help you study more effectively. Try it out for yourself and see how it can change the way you approach studying. Thanks for watching, and if you have found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more useful content like this.